Right guys, sunny Sunday morning. We're going out to finish this load off. There ain't much space left on here, but I'll probably end up stacking it on, you know, going round as I'm collecting. It's that big yellow thing there that holds all the weights for the gyms in the way. It's took most of the room up. But yeah. Try and get it fuller, if you know what I mean. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get that petrol streamer off. I'm going to get that off now. But anyway, yeah, we're off out Sunday morning. Let's go and get some more tat and fill this truck up. Catch you in a bit. Right. This is the first pickup of the morning, this is. There's some bike wheels and a bike. I've been told to come and pick these up. In the alley. What else we got? Again, in the alley, the rackets. And a push bike. That's £7 there. £7 bike. Like these on. We're going to get some more tat. Try and fill this truck. We haven't got much more to do now. I'd say, if we're lucky, another hour or two, this will be full. Right, catch you in a minute guys. Let's get this on. I'm going to get some more out. Oh dear me, oh dear me. We got an ironing board. Nice. Been used that, just a bit. Right, let's go and get some more tack guys. Ooh, parasol. And 2 bikes. Oh dear me, I've got to start sorting this stuff out. Oh, that ain't right, is it? Let me drop the tail lift. That's right. Throw me them bikes up, woman. Can you get them? One at a time will do. Thank you. 2 little kids' bikes. Well, 1 scooter, 1 bike. And whatever that is. Right, let's go and get some more tat. Got a bit more. Another stacker truck. Bit of alley. A pole. Put that on first. And a stacker truck. Rusty one. Jesus. That is day. Right, let's go and get some more tat. Hey, dokey. Washing machine. Lovely, lovely, lovely. A few more of these and I'll be back home in time for lunch. I think this is fifth washing machine. Gotta try and get it here somewhere. Oh, no. That'll be alright there. I think what I'm going to do, if I can, free this bike up. That's all right where it is. Right. Oh, hang on a minute. These bits are non-ferrous down there. Non-ferrous. That's freed up some room, mate. I've got a strap on that. I can pile on the top of this at the back. Happy days. Let's go and get some more tack, guys. Catch you in a minute. Where's the camera woman? Oh, you're there. Microwave. Oh, right down my sleeve. That's the microwave on. Oh look, an air fryer. Wooden beg one. There we go, guys. Let's go and get some more touch. Ooh, a mystery box. Oh, it's heavy. Should we have a look what's in it? Oh, tins. Whatever armour that is. Jump in here, so I'll look at all them tools, look. Yeah. Again. We're just doing a video. I do a YouTube channel as well. I do a video and everything we do. I do a YouTube channel. Oh right. I'm just showing what's in the box. Oh okay, yeah. Yeah, we'll have the box and the tools and the brass. And brass. Here I am, look, boys. Golden Jubilee.
Can't see many of them now, won't you?
No, you don't.
Yeah, I don't know. Just feeling there.
They got horseshoe one.
We used to have her on the wall, cleaned up.
Yeah. What else we got? Pleasure Beach.
Right, yarn.
Quite a bit in there, guys. We'll check the box for this bloke and we'll go and get some more tat. Okay, guys, catch you in a minute. Right, let's have this box on there. Oh. Jump up on there. Fishing box. Let's get rid of some of the tins. Old plane. I've got one of them in the shed. There's a lot of sweets and biscuits. Right. What we got? Let's have a look at these brass things. Petersfield. A few hammers. I think we've already done that one, haven't we? What else we got? Pleasure Beach. Great Yarmouth. I can't really make out what that one says. Hollycomb? Something like that. Oh, Golden Jubilee. Queen Elizabeth.
2002.
Yeah?
Yeah, I really was born.
Got two more here. Oh! William Shakespeare. Stafford. Sorry. Yeah, Stratford upon Avon. I'll keep that one, that's a cool one. And Fordson. Cool. Any more? Oh, got some more here. What we got? Home.
Carmarthen Castle.
Yeah. What else? One in Devon. Got a few tools in here, obviously. Couple hammers. Oh, we've got one more here. Home again. Got some more. We've got some more. Oh, that's a dragon. That's got to be Wales, eh? What's this one? Bull ring, Birmingham. Oh, hang on. One more. Sweet. Oh, I'm going to be putting a style in that. A nice axe. Just a few bits of tools. Oh, Santa. Don't know about him just yet. I can see some more here. We've got Summit Jones, of course, to the rest of that, and
Rainstone Linless.
yeah, Lynmouth one. Look at all that. And that's it, guys. Put that on. We'll put the brass in the cab and we'll go and get some more tat. Happy days. Let's get going. Right, we have a bit more. Well, I got much more to fill up now, I'll tell you that. Springs on this side. Got a slight bend in them. Tell you how I like them, but we got a new that. We'll take that. Nice bit of wire on that. Max. Get on there. Right, let's go get some more tack, guys. Rightio, rightio. What we got? Extractor fan. Let's have this on first. It's got a motor in that. Right. So have a go.
Yeah.
Piss off, because I let myself. It's a kid's one. Nope. Metal detector. Oh, hang on. He's telling me there's some down there. Right, let's have this on. Oh. Oh. I'm going to keep that. Few other bits. Do you want to grab that last bit so we can let this bloke in? Rightio guys, let's go and get some more tap. Right, we've got a bit more here guys, a couple of strip lights and a few bits there. Are these on? Then bits on. Bit more. You know, I don't think I'm going to be out much longer because the springs on this truck now, I don't know if you can see them, they're quite bent. Don't want to go overboard in case I snap a spring or something. But I'm making my way home. Let's go see if we can get a bit more. Catch you in a minute. Now you're on. Well, we've got a bit more tap here and a bit up there. I think it's going to finish the load off. So we'll have it on. And that'll be me done for the day. Let's just tidy this up. It's always full. Someone else asked me that earlier. You wanted to fetch a load of sand? So I'm going to take that off a minute. Lower this down, get this bike on, and we'll pop up here and there's a bit more scrap. There we go. Right, let's get this bike on. Again? Yeah. I think. Yeah, we'll have this on. We'll have this on top. this side hopefully, because that side's got a lot more weight than this side on. Alrighty out. These things can be dangerous when you're trying to pick them up. But that's locked up pretty tight, I think. Oh no, it ain't. Look at that. That went on a lot easier than I thought. Yeah. I've got to lower this down anyway because I've got to get the trolley back on, and I've got some more up there to pick up. Stay. Look at that, just on. Right. Pick that bit up. Pick that bit up. Thank you very much. If you want to go walk up to there, and I'll follow you up. Hey! You're following me! Right, we've got some more. Can't attack the plastic tubs now. It's only light stuff. Saying that, the stuff in these. The odds and ends, a screwdriver, some bearings. Oh great, that's all fell out. That wasn't very good, was it? Let's have this on the back end, eh? I think this will be the last bit. If there ain't no more, heading home, because I'm only round the corner from home, and you never know, do you? You never know. All this stuff's tangly. Come here, Sal. Yeah, these can go on. These have got hinges here and all bits of steel. I don't know what's in the door angles. Them can go on. I'll find a spot for them though where they're all dropping off. There we go. And yeah, mate. 22p per quarter, including VAT. Right, I think that's going to be it, guys. We'll have a look. Let's get going round to my house, and on the way, if we find any more, we'll chuck it on. We'll get a strap out. See you in a bit. Right, as you can see, if you come to the back, we're pretty full. But I know for a fact when I get this round down, because I'm only around the corner from my home, I can sort all this load out. I can sort it all out. And I'm just going to stick these on top, strap them on if I have to, then get home and sort it all out and show you the finished product. So let's get these on. These chairs, nah, they're normally alloy. Yeah, all aluminium chairs. So we'll have them on and we'll get round them. I cut the material off then, that's alloy. That's money in the bank. Get that one a bit over. They might coming off. They might going nowhere. See if I can get these others this side. I'm okay. And finally the table, which again is all aluminium. That's that on, guys. Come over here, let's have a look. That's a good full load for the day. Okay guys, watch out for the weighing. More than welcome to have a guess what I've got on. Let's get on and sort this load out. And as always guys, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out massive. Catch you on the next one guys.